morning students, myself Neetu Kumari, I am your science teacher and I am going to teach you the chapter of class 8, microorganism. This is your second chapter and this is the part 1 of this video. Let's see the introduction of microorganism. What is microorganism? You can know that all around us, the teeny pores and teeny particles, teeny microorganism is going through and found in the earth all around us. In the microorganism, some bacteria, virus and lots of things are found in the air, water or our all around atmosphere. Let's see the introduction or some important points of microorganism. Microorganism, what is microorganism? The organism which is only seen under the microscope is called microorganism. You can't see the microorganism with naked eyes. You can only see this with the help of microscope. The study of microorganism is called microbiology. Who studies about the microorganism? This is the part of microbiology. In the sense of microorganisms are found everywhere as air, water, soil. We are already talking about this. This is found everywhere. Most of the microorganisms are harmful to us. Yes, there is some bacteria or viruses are very harmful to us. In the present day, you can realize about the coronavirus or some influenza which is responsible for the cold and flu to the human body or some animals, and also some plants is very harmful to the microorganism. Some bacteria or microorganisms can survive their life in high climate. It means if the temperature is very high, suppose that in the 60-62 degrees Celsius, they can survive their body. And if the climate is very cold, minus degrees Celsius, it can survive their body because they can show the mutation in this body. They have also cyst. The cyst is the outer cover of the microorganism. It is found in some bacteria and virus also. Some which cannot resist from a hard covering around themselves called cyst. Yes, some bacteria can't survive their life in the high or extreme temperature. They use cyst. This cyst is outer covering layer of the body. When the climate is high or low, they can survive their body and inside the cyst. In the Antonio van Leeuwenhoek, he is the German scientist. What he want to say? Let's see. Antonio van Leeuwenhoek was the first scientist who studied microorganisms. Yes, he is the first scientist to study about microorganisms. And what he gives that microorganisms are also called microbes. Yes, something in the sense of some bacteria is called microbes. It's the singular person. Robert Hooke, he was the first man who discovered nucleus he discovered cell in 1965. Robert Hooke is the first man who give the information about the cell. Let's see. Antonio Leeuwenhoek observed the first living cell in drop of pond water. Pond water, you can see the cell in the pond water. Louis Pasteur, you are the familiar with this name. First time observed bacteria in 1857. He observed this bacteria in the milk. Louis Pasteur proposed germ theory and concept of vaccination. Yes, he also produced and proposed the sense of vaccination to protect us with harmful bacteria or viruses. the foundation of microbiology. He is the father of microbiology. Louis Pasteur is also called the father of microbiology. He discovered rabies and anthrax. Rabies, this is responsible to the dog, and when dog is biting us, it give us rabies bacteria, and we are harmful and injured with rabies. This is the anthrax. It is found in animals. He also developed the technique of pasteurization. Pasteurization, this is the familiar word. What is pasteurization? We will talk in this last video. He also developed the technique of pasteurization to prevent the spoilage of milk. When milk can't be spoiled, he developed the process of pasteurization. What is in the sense of pasteurization? What happened is milk is heated to temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. When milk is heated in 80 degrees Celsius, what happens? And immediately cooled to kill the lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is the bacteria which is found in the milk. It is responsible to the spoiling of milk. This is called the pasteurization. And this is the introduction of your second chapter. The name of the chapter is microorganism, and your work is to note these important points in your notebook and do some questions about this chapter. And if you have any problem, you can leave your message in our comment box. Thank you.